It is the Aam Aadmi Party which is now questioning the existence of the CAG report. The Aam Aadmi Party is saying the BJP leaders have lost their mental balance. BJP first claimed CAG report was not tabled. BJP is now saying that the CAG report is out. This is what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying. From the BJP side, certain parts of the CAG report have now come out. And in this leaked CAG report, the amount that has come to the fore is close to 2,000 crore rupees. That's the amount that has been reported as loss to the exchequer, and the Aam Aadmi Party is now questioning the existence of this very CAG report.
कहाँ है सीएजी रिपोर्ट? सीएजी रिपोर्ट कहाँ है? उसकी कोई कॉपी है आपके पास? कहाँ से सीएजी रिपोर्ट? बीजेपी के दफ्तर में बनती है सीएजी रिपोर्ट। सीएजी रिपोर्ट है कहां? भाजपाई बौखला गए हैं, मानसिक रूप से विक्षिप्त हो गए हैं, चौराहे पे खड़े होकर कुछ भी चिल्ला रहे हैं। उनकी हर बात का हम जवाब थोड़ी देंगे। एक तरफ कहते हैं सीएजी रिपोर्ट टेबल नहीं हुई, दूसरी तरफ कहते हैं सीएजी रिपोर्ट आ गई। कहना क्या चाहते हैं भाजपा के लोग?
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, we are now seeing how it's a tit-for-tat taking place. Every 24 hours, a new piece of news comes to the fore, and then we see it becomes, a fight for narrative between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party's leader Sanjay Singh questioning the existence of the CAG report, and he's also saying that every 24 hours, we are seeing these kind of reports coming to the fore, but where is the exact CAG report that, parts of which have now come out?
Right, Aishwarya. The Aam Aadmi Party is questioning the very source based on which these claims are being made, and they are saying that where is the document, where is the CAG report, and they are also saying along with that this is possibly being manufactured at the BJP office, and BJP on one hand is claiming that the CAG report has not been tabled in the Legislative Assembly of the National Capital, and on the other hand are going on to make such claims and they cannot be responding to such random claims being made by the BJP. In fact, coming to the fact, yes, it remains a fact that the CAG report has not been tabled in the Delhi Assembly for any CAG report for that matter, whether it pertains to the central government or the state government. The norm says that the CAG report will be tabled in the parliament or in the Legislative Assembly of the state, and only after the tabling of the CAG report, the contents of the report, comes to the public fore. In this particular case, in Delhi's case, there have been long pending demand from the BJP that the CAG reports which have been sent to the government that should be tabled in front of the Delhi Assembly, so that the facts of these reports come to the public domain. The LG VK Saxena had also written to the Chief Minister Atishi asking her to ensure that the report is tabled in the Delhi Assembly, but the fact also remains that the tenure of the Delhi Assembly is already over. Delhi is in election mode, so there's no question of tabling of the CAG report until unless the new assembly is formed, and in the first session of the assembly, if the speaker wants it to be tabled as and when the government and the speaker wants it to be tabled at that point in time, it could be tabled because there's no timeline, no time bounding by when this report needs to be tabled, and that is why AAP is questioning the basis of these claims. Back to you.